Hello everyone, Kirk here, Kirk's Motorrad Shop, bringing you a product demo. So this company, I get solicited every now and then by different companies. They're usually Chinese companies, and they want me to test out their products, and I usually don't do them unless they're something I can use in the shop. And this right here, I'm hoping I can use this. I don't know that I'll use it too much on motorcycles. What this is, which you maybe have already seen in the title, it is the SEESII impact gun. And you know, I just wanted, this is absolutely for real my first look at this thing. I haven't opened this up at all. They offered to send me this thing as you know, so we could check it out on the channel. It is a 1/2 inch impact gun. I don't know how close this is to a Harbor Freight tool. It might be very similar. Then again, it might be very different too. I don't know if the batteries hold any kind of power. Let's see. Oh, they do actually. Look at that. Well, they're already fully charged. Nice. Okay, let's plug one in. I guess it works. It says it's got a 4,000 milliamp hour battery on it. That's pretty strong. And you know, I use in my shop, I do not own one of these currently. I don't have any kind of battery operated large impact gun. So what I have is an air powered one. That's what I've used forever. It's my Cornwell tool. I use it basically just to change tires on my truck and my wife's car. And anytime I really need to pound on some stuck nut, then I will grab that gun and go after it. Let's see what else is in the kit. It comes with, looks like a charge cable. It's got a little package of O-rings, as well as maybe some little roll pins. It's got some drills. So I guess it's got a drill attachment. It's got a little assortment of bits. And then we've got some very thin wall sockets. Hey, those are cool. I like that. Thin wall impact sockets. Hey, I'll take them. Nice. And it looks like a chuck here for, looks like a quick release chuck. We'll go on the end of this thing and use it as a drill. All the crazy things, right? Cool. So we might as well test some of this out. I'll just, you know, you got to pull that collar back, and there we go. We got a drill. It didn't come with a charge dock. Oh, there it is. So you got to plug this little charge cord into the battery itself. So just like that. I have no idea how long it takes to charge up or anything. Let me read a few stats to you. I do appreciate some of these tools, as they are they're very inexpensive. And guys, if you look down in the show notes or the description that's down below, there probably is a discount code that you can use on this tool if it is something you're interested in, or maybe you want to gift it to someone. Maybe you want to give it to your son or to your daughter or something that she's likes to wrench on stuff. But let's see. It is supposed to have 479 foot-pounds of torque, or 650 newton meters. That would be insane amount of torque. I really have no way to test that. The torque test channel could probably test something like that, but not Kirk's Motorrad Shop. But I am going to test it out just to see if I can loosen up the lug nuts on my truck. I would expect that it should work, but let's go give it a go. Oh, and by the way, I just looked at the pricing on this. At the time I'm making this video, there is currently a $25 coupon. The thing, the price of the thing is 110 bucks, and it's got a $25 coupon plus a 10% off manufacturer coupon as well, bringing it down to $85. So 85 bucks for a supposedly 21 volt tool with some thin wall sockets and some bits and a driver and this carry thing, which probably goes on the case. I don't see how it could hook to the tool itself. But anyway, yeah, that's a pretty sweet deal, guys. So do check it out, and let's go, at least go try to knock the lug nuts off my truck. Here we go. All right, this thing is 22 millimeter, and yeah, they fit on there pretty good. Make sure I've got it going in the right direction. Yep. Oh yeah, no issues at all. This thing doesn't hold on worth a damn, I will say that. It's missing a ball. It doesn't have a ball detent in it, so it's just got this little hole through here. Maybe that's what those little roll things are for. That doesn't want to come off either. It's pretty tight fit, actually. That's pretty good. Well, it seems to work. Works just like it's supposed to. I guess final words? Time will tell if how well it holds up or how often I use it. I don't, it's not something I have to do very often. And sometimes I have to use a torque wrench on a bike, but it's, or not a torque wrench, excuse me, an impact wrench on a bike. And hopefully this one will fit the bill just fine. It's got some pretty good balance. Not going to say it's bad at all. It's a pretty light tool. And guys, I can't really make a complaint about it, because in the end, it's an $85 tool. So I'm not going to expect a whole lot out of it. I probably will abuse the hell out of it. I don't think I'll be using drills and things on it unless I really need an impact for something like that. But I do appreciate that it comes with additional tools. They also have other models that are available as well. So do check out their line. Check out the link that's right down below. See if there's any additional coupon codes or anything like that. And yeah, don't be afraid of this one. Good little tool. Appreciate them sending it to me. Take care, guys.